flash flood warning from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a flash flood warning for southeastern Cook County in northeastern Illinois, northwestern Will County in northeastern Illinois, until 11 p.m. At 9:01 p.m., Doppler radar and automated rain gauges indicated multiple areas of heavy rainfall with rates up to 1 inch per hour. Flash flooding is expected to begin shortly after the onset of heavy rainfall. Hazard: flash flooding. Source: radar and automated gauges. Impact: rapid onset flooding of creeks, streams, drainage ditches, streets, underpasses, low-lying areas, and other poor drainage areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Chicago, Joliet, Hammond, Bolingbrook, Orland Park, Tingley Park, Romeoville, Lakeville, Calumet City, Chicago Heights, Brooklyn, Lansing, Oak Forest, Harvey, Lockport, New Lenox, Palmer Glen, Blue Island, Munster, and Littleton. A flash flood warning means rapid onset flooding is imminent or may already be occurring. Persons along creeks, drainage ditches, and other waterways should take immediate precautions to protect life and property. The Lake Michigan forecast for Sheboygan, Wisconsin to Pentwater, Michigan south, west of